Oh, hey there, guys. As you can see, I was shooting my rifle at some birds flying by. But today we're gonna test this baby out on how much damage it does to a cell phone. There's our cell phone right here.
Okay, I'll go set up your gun. Well, this is a regular gay phone. Just opens like this, closes, opens, and the screen's kind of fucked up. And yeah, well, let's see what happens with this thing. In there. Okay, let's see how far it is. It's like about 20 feet.
100 feet.
You can see it.
Okay. These are the pellets we're going to be using. They are called destroyers. I don't know if you can see the tip of it, but it looks like they destroy some stuff, you know? Let's put it into my rifle right here. Yeah. And let's see what this baby does. You should go get next to the phone. Or just
What if I get shot? Over there. And I think you missed, but
I didn't miss.
you missed pretty bad.
No, I didn't.
Where did you shoot it?
I don't know.
You took that off.
Oh shit. Okay.
Apparently he shot the bottom
I
because
shot the bottom of it because I took off some sticker on it. But this next shot will come for sure.
Okay, guys. Maybe if his gun was more accurate.
Once again, we're going to use destroyers to destroy the shit out of that phone.
Ready? He took off a little piece at the tip.
At the tip.
And,
oh no.
Nothing
Does
really.
it turn on? Hey!
Hey! Okay, well, anyways, kind of distracting, but he broke the phone from the front.
Alright, another shot.
Do you see the phone in the front? As you can see, look.
Ooh, oh no.
We'll be shooting both sides, anyways. Well, hopefully he hits the middle this time. Okay. Get closer. He missed again.
Again?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god. Alright, this time for sure, guys. This time for sure. I swear. Let me go reload real quick. Juan, stop recording my dog.
This time you can hit it. I think you missed again. Oh, you hit the middle, but nothing kind of happened.
Ooh, the pellet's in there. Hey, that looks pretty cool. I kind of cracked it on this side right here.
Let me see this.
But that looks beautiful. Okay. Anyways, this looks very nice. Now I'm gonna try to hit the keyboard. So
No, hit the front of the phone.
all right, the front of the phone.
As you can see, it's almost broken. But anyways,
They're following me, Juan. You quit recording my dog?
the dog over there is really ugly. Ugly. Yeah.
Checks out.
Okay, hopefully you hit it.
Oh, I didn't hit it.
He fucking missed again. Yeah. Go reload. Need it. You missed.
I hit it down here. Oh my. Oh, one more shot.
Oh. He's not a good shooter. But that one messed it up pretty sick. And nothing else. Let's see what he does this time. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. He fucking missed again.
Did I?
I don't know. You hit it right there.
This phone is pellet proof. Yeah, it didn't even go through. And just a reminder, this is a 1200 feet per second rifle. So I don't know why it's not going through. This is the Crossman Fury. Look it up and you'll see how powerful it is, but yeah. This phone is just really strong.
Shoot the keyboard the same.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see what it does to the keyboard. Still good. It's kind of fucked up, but
Enough. Oops, I was trying to put the pellet in backwards.
it's not gonna do nothing to the keyboard. But anyways, he fucking missed.
Guys, I hit L button right there. Look, if your name starts with an L,
Sucks for you.
yeah. But look at the back; it actually came out right there.
Keyboard's not strong enough.
Yep. So yeah, guys, thanks you for watching, and thanks you very much. And
if you like this phone, sell it to you, $10. Just
Yeah.
kidding.
So hopefully I'll make some more videos of my baby girl right here. Till then, thank you. Please subscribe.